Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, nestled amidst lush green mountains, there lived a wise and compassionate Buddhist monk named Master Wu. He was known far and wide for his teachings on the power of the law of attraction and how it could transform lives. Master Wu had a serene presence that attracted people from all walks of life, seeking guidance and enlightenment. One day, a young man named Chen came to visit Master Wu. Chen was disheartened and lost, feeling trapped in a life that seemed to offer him no joy or fulfillment. He had heard of Master Wu's wisdom and hoped that the monk could show him a way out of his misery. As Chen approached the temple where Master Wu resided, he was struck by the tranquility of the surroundings. The air was filled with the sweet fragrance of flowers, and the sound of birds chirping created a symphony of peace. Chen felt a sense of calm wash over him, as if the burdens he carried were slowly lifting from his shoulders. Master Wu greeted Chen with a warm smile and invited him inside the temple. The walls were adorned with intricate paintings and calligraphy depicting the teachings of Buddha. The room was filled with the aroma of incense, creating an atmosphere of reverence and serenity. Chen sat down in front of Master Wu, eager to hear his words of wisdom. With kindness in his eyes, Master Wu began to share the story of a young monk who had embarked on a transformative journey through the power of the law of attraction. In a distant village, there lived a young monk named Lai Wei. Master Wu began. Lai Wei was filled with doubts and insecurities, unsure of his path in life. He yearned to find his purpose and make a difference in the world, but he felt trapped within the confines of the monastery walls. Lai Wei had heard of a legendary mountain that was said to hold great spiritual power. It was believed that anyone who climbed to the summit would receive a profound revelation and find their true calling. Filled with hope, Lai Wei set out on a perilous journey to the mountain, determined to discover his purpose. As Lai Wei began his ascent, he encountered numerous challenges along the way. The path was treacherous, with steep cliffs and rugged terrain. At times, he would lose his footing and stumble, only to rise again and continue his climb. Despite the physical hardships, Lai Wei remained focused on his goal, trusting in the power of the law of attraction to guide him. After days of relentless effort, Lai Wei finally reached the summit of the mountain. Exhausted yet exhilarated, he took a moment to catch his breath and admire the breathtaking view before him. As he stood there, surrounded by the beauty of nature, he felt a deep sense of peace and connection to something greater than himself. It was in that moment of stillness that Lai Wei realized the true power of the law of attraction. He understood that his thoughts and intentions had shaped his journey, attracting the experiences and opportunities that had led him to this very point. Lai Wei had manifested his purpose through unwavering belief and determination. As Lai Wei descended the mountain, he felt a renewed sense of purpose burning within him. He returned to the monastery with a newfound wisdom and shared his experiences with his fellow monks. Inspired by his story, they too began to embrace the power of the law of attraction in their own lives. Master Wu paused, allowing his words to sink in. Chen sat in awe, captivated by the story and its profound message. He realized that he too had the power to shape his destiny and attract the life he desired. "Chen," Master Wu said gently, "the law of attraction is not a magic spell that grants your wishes instantly. It is a powerful force that works through your thoughts, intentions, and actions. Like Lai Wei, you have the ability to manifest your dreams and create a life of joy and fulfillment." Encouraged by Master Wu's words, Chen embarked on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. He began to practice meditation, cultivating a positive mindset and visualizing the life he desired. Chen focused on gratitude, acknowledging the blessings he already had and attracting more abundance into his life. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Chen's life started to transform. Opportunities began to present themselves, aligning with his passions and interests. He found a job that brought him joy and fulfillment, surrounded by supportive colleagues who believed in his potential. Chen's newfound happiness and success inspired those around him. Friends and family noticed the positive changes in his life and sought his guidance on how to manifest their own desires. Chen shared the teachings he had learned from Master Wu, spreading the message of the law of attraction far and wide. Years passed, and Chen became known as a beacon of light in his community. He continued to practice the principles of the law of attraction, attracting love, abundance, and success into his life. His journey had not been without challenges, but he faced them with unwavering faith and determination. In the end, Chen understood that the power to create a fulfilling life lay within each individual. By harnessing the power of their thoughts and intentions, they could attract the experiences and opportunities that would lead them to their true purpose. Chen's story became a testament to the transformative power of the law of attraction. And so the village continued to flourish with the wisdom of Master Wu and the teachings of Chen. People from all walks of life traveled far and wide to learn from their experiences and discover the power within themselves. The law of attraction became a guiding light, empowering individuals to manifest their dreams and create a world filled with love, abundance, and happiness. From this story, we have learned several important lessons. 1. The power of the law of attraction. The story emphasizes the incredible power of the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like, our thoughts and intentions have the ability to shape our reality, and by focusing on positive thoughts and visualizing our desires, we can attract the experiences and opportunities that align with our goals. 2. The importance of belief and determination. The young monk, Lei Wei, faced numerous challenges on his journey to discovering his purpose. However, his unwavering belief in the law of attraction and his determination to overcome obstacles allowed him to reach his goal. This highlights the importance of having faith in ourselves and persisting even in the face of difficulties. 3. Self-discovery and personal growth. Chen's journey of self-discovery and personal growth demonstrates that in order to manifest our dreams, we must first understand ourselves and our true desires. Through practices such as meditation, gratitude, and visualization, we can gain clarity and align our thoughts and actions with our deepest aspirations. 4. The ripple effect of positivity. Chen's transformation inspired those around him. By embodying the principles of the law of attraction and radiating positivity, he became a source of inspiration and guidance for others seeking to manifest their own desires. This highlights the powerful impact that our own personal growth and happiness can have on the people around us. 5. Sharing wisdom and spreading light. The story emphasizes the importance of sharing wisdom and knowledge with others. Both Master Wu and Chen shared their experiences and teachings, helping others harness the power of the law of attraction. This demonstrates that by sharing our insights and empowering others, we contribute to a more enlightened and harmonious society. Overall, the story reminds us that we possess the power to shape our own destinies. By embracing positive thoughts, belief, and determination, we can manifest our dreams and create lives filled with love, abundance, and happiness. The law of attraction serves as a guiding principle to unlock our true potential and live a purposeful and fulfilling life.